Hello my lovely juniors, welcome to ICANN Technologies. In the today's video, that is part 15, we are learning about what is meant by smart factory in Industry 4.0. So we will check the definition. First one, it is the vision of a production environment in which the production facilities and logistic systems are organized without human intervention. It means there will be no intervention of the people during the process and it is working as a smart system. Okay, and the definition too. The smart factory is a cyber physical system that uses advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning to analyze data, drive automated process and learn it as goes. It means like there is no intervention of the human being here. This artificial intelligence and the machine learning will take care of the process. So third one, the smart factory is a concept used to describe the application of the different combinations of the modern technologies to create an hyper flexible self-adapting manufacturing capability. Sir, now you can ask me, sir, so what is this, sir? These definitions and all don't tell us, just tell the meaning, sir. Okay, now I will tell you. So the like smart factory is nothing but see, from this image only you can learn. Okay, so everyone will tell us right, hey, don't work hard, work smart. Work smart means what? Like we will work less but efficiency should be more. Means even though I am not there, work should go on. That is nothing but the artificial intelligence. It is working on their own, and also the machine learning. Like it will take care of this. For example, this robot is there. The working of this robot is to get the information from the surrounding areas. For example, I have fixed the camera here. What it will do, for every 1 minute I made the program that like turn around every minute and take the photos and send me. But if man is there, how many times he will take photo, how many times he will send. But this machine will work as a smart thing which will work for the human beings in the productive way. So implementation of all this type of technologies in the factory or industry, it is called as the smart factory. Okay, that's it. So in the next video I will come up with the new topic again. Till then, see you, bye bye.